notice this guy is a radius of 1.375. It's also concentric to this center point. So I'm going to get a radius circle, and I'm going to go 1.375. And I'm not going to use very much of that circle, but I do need it temporarily. So you can go on and do this side of it if you wanted to, but I'm going to kind of switch gears here, and I want to do that one and that one, just so I'm done with this side of it. So these two are tangent radius circles. So under my circle command, I'm going to go tangent radius, and I want to click on that circle we just made and on the kidney bean circle at the bottom, and they tell me that the radius of this one is going to be this guy. Remember, there's two of them. They are a radius of 0.625. So I'm going to put in 0.625 enter. It should kind of lay me in this little circle here at the bottom. And again, I'm going to trim most of that stuff out. But I'm going to put the top one in as well. So same process, tangent radius. And I'm going to click this circle, tangent, and the top of the kidney bean. And again, 0.625. So it should kind of look like that. These two circles are kind of floating there. And these guys, we're going to trim. We're going to get rid of these things because I don't really need most of them. I'm going to get rid of that guy and that guy. And I'm going to make sure I get this little tail that it leaves behind on each one. So it should look something like that. And then I could trim parts of this circle. I really can't trim all of it, but I can trim parts of this circle. I really didn't need much of it anyway. So I kind of got to leave some of that, but I can get rid of all of this section up in here. This part I got to leave for a little while. So now we're pretty well done with that whole right side of this thing. So I'm going to go from this, see this big dimension at the bottom. They tell me that this thing is 5.804 from this center point over to the other end of this center point. Okay, so the whole length of this guy from the center line and circle intersection to the center point of this other circle set is going to be this 5.8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a line, and I'm going to go to this intersection, this center point, and I'm just going to draw a line over, make sure it's nice and straight, and they tell me it's 5.804. So I should get something that looks like that. And at the end of that guy, I need to put, again, two circles in, inner and outer. They tell me two of each. So the inner ones are these smaller 0.437. So radius 0.437. And the outer one is a radius of 0.75. And then there's another one, and I'm going to delete this line just so you can see. So this is my 5.804 line. I'm going to get rid of that guy. And from center point to center point, they tell me that this thing is 1.0. So I'm going to go from here, 1.0. So I need to do the same thing at that end. And again, you can either draw them or you can copy them if you want. get these two kind of mixed together here. And then their quadrant snap at the top to connect them. And the bottom to connect them. And then I'm going to trim a whole bunch of this stuff out.
Where's the quadrant snap again at the bottom?
To turn it on, or to use the line. The line goes from the top and the bottom, they just connect.